Hi, the second reading is Rome's monetary system. What effect did the Roman monetary system have on Rome's economy? The first vocabulary word we're going to talk about is empire. An empire is also known as a kingdom or a group of states or countries that are under one ruler. Romans. Romans are just what we call people who live in Rome. And if we remember from our last reading, Rome is the capital city of Italy. Accomplishment. It's something that is successful. Denominations. In this case, when we talk about denominations, we're talking about the face value or worth of a coin or money. Efficient. Efficient in this case is without wasting time or money and doing things in the best way possible. And our last vocabulary word for today is inhabitants. Inhabitants are people who live in an area. Okay, we're going to begin reading now. Another accomplishment that helped the empire's trade-based economy was the development of metal coins. Romans were not the first people to create or use coins. In fact, early in their history, Romans used the same names for money that the ancient Greeks had used. Although the Lydians, inhabitants of what is now modern-day Turkey, had first introduced the coin, by 3rd century BCE, the Romans had enhanced the usage of coins for money. Okay, so this paragraph is just saying that another big thing that was successful in the Roman Empire was the development of metal coins or making metal coins. And even though they weren't the first people to create or use coins, they had really, the Romans really took and improved the usage of the coins for money, okay? So the Romans are the ones who are kind of, they're the ones who made the usage of coins so successful. Okay, next paragraph. The Romans made coins out of gold, silver, and other metals. The coins were worth different amounts based on the different metals from which they were made. The Romans had several different denominations of coins. Like today, coins were given a monetary value that was guaranteed by the government. Okay, so in this paragraph, they're just telling us that the Romans made the coins out of different metals, gold and silver and other metals, and depending on how expensive or what the worth of that metal was, that's how much that coin was worth, okay? When they talk about different denominations of coins, that's talking about coins just like we have today. So we have a dime that's worth 10 cents, a penny that's worth a penny, 1 cent, a nickel worth 5 cents, and of course, then we have the quarters that are worth 25 cents. So it was the same type of system. Like today, coins were given that monetary value and the government guaranteed it. So no matter where you went, if you had a quarter, it was worth 25 cents, just like today. Next paragraph. Having a common monetary system throughout the empire made trade much easier and more efficient. Because the value of coins was agreed upon, it was easier to determine what price should be paid for goods. Coins were also easy to carry, which was important in larger empires such as the Roman Empire. The coins played a role in showing the culture of ancient Rome. All right, so in this paragraph, we're just talking about having a system of money that was recognized by everyone, made trading easier and efficient. So it didn't waste a lot of time, it didn't waste money. The value of coins was agreed upon, which means everybody was like, yep, a quarter's worth 25 cents. Yep, a penny's worth 1 cent. So it was easier to determine how much people should pay for the goods. Okay, so coins were easy to carry, and they made the coins played a big role in the culture of ancient Rome. All right, thanks.